To use Do Not Disturb mode on Realme Note 60, first let's launch our settings. Then we can move to the sound and vibration, and there's Do Not Disturb mode right here. Now we can turn it on and off. There's also a quicker way to enable it. You can find it in the quick access apps by swiping your finger like that. And then just look for the Do Not Disturb mode. It has this moon icon, just click on it and then you'll be able to activate it or deactivate it. Now when we go back, we can customize the settings. The first one is people. So you can change which people contact can reach you when you're in the Do Not Disturb mode. You can manage your messages and pick the specific contact or start contact or priority conversations. And you can also select anyone if you like or none. And the same goes for the calls. You can customize it the same way. Only exception is allow repeat callers. So when somebody tries to reach you and calls you multiple times, and then he will be able to ring in Do Not Disturb mode when this option is activated. We can go back and also manage the apps that are allowed to send you notifications when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. You can add apps like that. In this case, I think the notifications for this app doesn't work, but you'll be able to customize it. For example, Messenger. Sadly, I don't have it on my phone, so I can't enable it right here. Next is alarms and other interruptions. You can manage different interruptions that can bypass your Do Not Disturb mode, like alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, and calendar events. And next is schedules. You can schedule Do Not Disturb mode for a specific time. Preset options are sleeping since 22 to 7 or events in your calendar. When you have an event, for example, meeting in your calendar set up for, let's say, 3 hours, then it will enable Do Not Disturb mode during that time. You can also add your manual time right here with the time options. Then there's the duration for quick settings, and when you enable your Do Not Disturb mode through here, as I've mentioned in the beginning, you'll be able to enable it until you turn it off. Set it for 1 hour or specific hours that you can add or remove like this, or it can ask you every time. Pardon me. Next is the display options for hidden notifications, and you can manage when Do Not Disturb mode is on. No sound from notifications. You will see notifications on your screen, but you won't hear a sound. No visuals or sounds from notifications. You won't see or hear your notifications, or you can set it to custom and then adjust all of those settings right there. And that would be all of the options and the ways you can use your Do Not Disturb mode.